What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa and I love to be thrifty, thus my name, ThriftyNess, on my channel. And today we're doing day 8 of the 10-day countdown to Halloween. So today, as you can tell by my already done hair, because I had my sister-in-law do this for me, we are going to be doing a fairy or poison ivy. Granted, this has purple, poison ivy doesn't have purple, but anyways, look, so I just need to wipe off my eyeliner and we'll get started. And we're going to jump into a light green color first for the inner corner of the eye. I'm jumping into this palette that I've been using all week. I'm going to fast forward through this part so there won't be any sound. Because they aren't going to stop talking very soon, so. I know, buddy.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
there's green right there.
Okay, plans change in the creative process, and I decided to just go all green, not green and purple. I don't know if I mentioned that before I started doing the showing you of what I was doing to my face, but we're going to just go with this color all the way all over the face. Okay, so I copied this eye over to the side, and now we're going to tie in the greens kind of throughout the rest of my face, like a fairy. Or I feel like this is going a little nymph, and my ears I feel like are sticking out a little bit, so maybe that's why it's giving me that vibe. But yeah, we're gonna just grab another brush and drag some of this green down. What we're gonna kind of do is do like a contour of green right here. So I'm just gonna dip into this, and I think I'm gonna go with the brighter, darker green that is in this section right here, and just kind of blend it out. Now I know this is looking crazy right off the bat, but then we're gonna blend it out with the other green too, so that we tie it in. And you can do a fairy look literally with whatever color you want. It could be purples, pinks, oranges, blues, like literally anything. I just decided that I wanted to do green today because I've done a lot of blacks and eyeliner looks for this series, the 10-day countdown. So I just wanted to do something a little different with some color today. So we are doing green. I think that I went a little too far down in the middle here. I kind of wanted to have it more of an up swoop on my forehead. So we're just going to edit. It's super easy to fix things like that. So just edit, edit, edit. A little, a little, a little. Until it looks like the shape that you want, which I'm going to do a little more. And I don't want it to be a perfect line. I'm just kind of getting it up to where I want the color to go. And then I'll go back over with the color and just kind of soften that line up. You know, whenever brushes fail you, fingers to the rescue, let me tell you. See, I softened up that line so much more with my finger than I ever did with a brush. Okay, so I've got the green softened up there. I'm gonna do this on this side as well, and then we'll add a little bit of, well, not a little bit, a lot of highlight. But we're just going to dip right into some highlight, which I'm actually going to use an eyeshadow. Oh, and I just found a pair of lashes. Anyways, an eyeshadow that is extremely bright. Look at that. And we're going to use it as a highlight because fairies sparkle like crazy. So we're just going to kind of go along here and then blend it out with the finger that wasn't on. Now, I don't want to add like any crazy liner because I feel like this is supposed to be like I'm turning into nature kind of a fairy look. And I feel like eyeliner would just be too much. So this is just my opinion and my take on a fairy or nymph look. So you do what you want to do. You could totally do a crazy wing. I'm going to go ahead and curl these lashes and put a ton of mascara on since I don't have my fake lashes to make this look va va voom. If you had a really cute, like big, wispy, feathery fake eyelash set, you could totally throw those on and it would just make this look like amazing. We're literally just going to go, look at that, like that. This is literally, by the way, my favorite mascara in the entire world. If you haven't watched my videos in the past, I've shared L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise is literally the bomb.com. I mean, look at that. This compared to this, this compared to this. That's just mascara, folks. Now, granted, I do have really good eyelash base to begin with. I have some pretty long lashes, but oh man, let me tell you, this mascara is amazing. Comment what color you would do a fairy look. Would you do green? Would you do blue? Would you do purple? What color would you do if you were doing a fairy look? And yeah. Okay guys, that is literally it for today's look. You literally just take a color, do a crazy fun eyeshadow look, and then drag it up and around your face and contour a little bit around the jawline as well. Throw on a little flowers or a crown, and then like a flowy, really flowy just dress or skirt and shirt kind of situation, and you're a fairy or a nymph or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, man, my lashes are looking good, you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you liked this look. Make sure you comment what color you would do, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 9, only 2 days left of the 10-day Halloween countdown. Easy makeup looks for you to do, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.